Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Oral activity, good manners and transportation. Today we will learn about good manners and different types of transportation. Let's start with some important good manners. Question 1. What should we say before going to bed? Answer: Shab Bakhair, good night. Question 2. What should we say when we need something? Answer: Excuse me, please. Question 3. What should we say when we make a mistake? Answer: Always apologize and say sorry. Good job. Good manners help us become kind and respectful. Keep practicing them every day. Transportation. Now, let's talk about different types of transportation. Car. A car helps us travel quickly on roads. Airplane. Airplanes fly in the sky and take us to faraway places. Bike. A bike has 2 wheels and is fast. Bicycle. A bicycle is great for exercise and short trips. Bus. A big vehicle that carries many people. Rickshaw. A small 3-wheeler used in many countries. Train. Trains travel on tracks and carry passengers and goods. Truck. A truck is used to transport heavy things. Van. A van is bigger than a car and carries more people. Teacher's note. Let's recognize and learn about these vehicles that we use in our daily life for traveling. Great job, everyone. You are amazing learners. Today, we learned about good manners, saying please, sorry, and good night. Transportation. Different vehicles we use for traveling. Keep learning and practicing. See you next time. Bye-bye.